50%. Gear up.
10-15 minutes later.
Stay below it. I'm still not looking towards it.
I don't know how to go.
50%.
Landing right to left.
Okay.
50%. Time remaining 38 seconds.
Uh-oh, landing.
10, 0.
To keep it scale. Really, Johnny, you're gonna take off like that today? That would be cool. So I wanted you to be aware of that.
Not engaged flaps with wing sweep. Time remaining 1 minute 31 seconds.
I got a little bit of time. Probably on the next run.
50%.
The quick going up.
I tried to get close enough to get a bolt.
0. 25% warning. Do not warning. 0. 25%. 0.
Ooh.
Braking. Brake open.
What do you see here? I ordered off Amazon because it's still $99.99, but at Tower, it's right.
When you're...
Gear up. Limit disengaged. 50%. 50%. 25%. 50%. Time remains 50%. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. Brake open. Gear up. G limit disengaged.
When I can do that without stressing.
Ain't gonna be one of them. Take it up the other way.
50%. 50%.
You see a light? I see a light.
0.
Yeah.
25%. 50%. 0. 25%. 0. 10. Gear up.
Too fast.
G limit disengaged.
Pretty sure my Piper can outrun that F-14.
I doubt it.
What'd you put in your coffee this morning?
Yeah, I know. Drug test time.
Receive about 50%.
Took the F-14 up to maneuver.
Yep.
Sweep the wings, sweep the wings.
Not today.
1 minute. Mid-sweep.
Oh, you did do it.
Look at that, Fred.
I saw
Oh,
coaching it. Oh,
see?
yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah, I couldn't do it. Made me nervous.
You full sweep or half?
Just half.
Yep.
I just want to see if it's staying straight when I do that.
Forward sweep.
Oh, back out. All
30
right.
seconds.
Is it good?
Look. All right, I got to land. I only got 30 seconds.
Yep, you got
25. Timer expired. 50%. 0.
Whoa.
0. 25%.
That was almost ugly.
Little power.
25%. 50%. 50%. 0.
Yeah, I think it's time to put the F-22 out now.
Oh, okay.
they're like, yeah, it's a reserve unit. I'm like, okay. Okay.
Gear up. G limit disengaged. Percent. G limit disengaged. G limit disengaged.
Bouncy over there over those feet.
25%. 50%. 30 seconds. 50%. 3. 0. Reverse full. Gear up.
Now when you be in the lead on the inside.
Wow, this thing's moving. Moving into position on the inside. One, two. When I went to roll, I ended up in the stall.
G limit disengaged. 50%. 50%. Engage. 25%. 50%.
Yeah, I'll keep that throttle position there.
Time remaining 1 minute 9 seconds.
Go.
Yeah, you get
1 minute.
Yep.
And right side.
Up.
Take
Okay.
landing flaps.
Alright.
0, 25%.
Run towards the runway.
All right.
0.
Burn them then.
Run a final.
Yeah.